Charles on the way to work. Just taking care of business every day. Hey, what are you looking at me for? I'm just wandering around the street at Meeniyan, Victoria, Australia. 500 metres from the main street. No, we do not ride kangaroos to school in Australia. But you will see koala bears wandering around the streets. Sometimes the dogs harass them, but this little fella, he's doing quite well. He just climbed up a tree, checked out the scenes. As soon as I left, he was on his way again. Anyway, he's a cute little koala. He's a big one. He's not that cute, but he is cute. And I can understand why people all over the world love the koalas. They're inoffensive sort of things, just eat gum leaves and don't cause a nuisance at all. He's looking at me saying, "Look, go away, leave me alone. Stop peering at me all the time. Where are you going to go?" As soon as I left, he was down and gone off on his business, gone to visit his girlfriend or something. Hey, good, cute little koalas. No wonder people love them. Look at those big claws though. See those claws? They can attack you with them, no worries at all. If you try to go near them or lift them from a tree or do something like that. Another habit they've got, the koalas, they climb a bit higher than that, and if you go and poke at them or annoy them, they'll piddle on you. And because they eat gum leaves, it's a very strong eucalyptus flavoured, you could call it, piddle. Very strong. You get it on you and you've got to go and change your clothes. So don't poke at them when they're up the tree. Just leave them alone. He's not camera shy at all, this fella. Look at him. I call him Charles. Charles on the way to work. And somebody followed him and started filming him. Okay, he's off again. Middle of town. We don't ride kangaroos, but we have got koalas.